gesture and allowing this meeting. It was a very pleasant one, and my mother was basically very happy to see me in a good shape, my physical fitness, and she was really very satisfied and felt very, she said also, I am feeling very relaxed after seeing you. I am satisfied. She said a dua, which is amongst the Hindus very common for me. I said, don't worry mummy, now you are happy. I have had so many things. My diet is very beautiful. I have done a very good thing here, and they have taken care of me. They have not harmed me. They have not touched me. She believed once she saw me personally. But I have to say one thing very important here for the Indian public and the Indian crowd and the Indian government and the people in Navy, that my commission is not gone. I am a commissioned officer of the Indian Navy, and my mother and my wife have been briefed very strongly. They were being told, I saw fear in the eyes of my mother and my wife. Why should there be fear? Whatever has happened has happened. There shouldn't be fear in the eyes of my mother and my wife. They have been threatened. The Indian diplomat or the Indian person who had come along with my mother was shouting on my mother the moment she stepped out, or he was yelling at her. Had she been brought under threat here? This gesture was a positive gesture so that she feels happy, I feel happy. And there is the Indian diplomat or some person standing outside yelling at her. We in India and Pakistan are supposed to subsequently forget our enmity and go in a positive direction, or it is supposed to keep on hanging around and lingering around like this? Why my commission, and that I was working on an intelligence agency, is being denied, or what is the whole issue? Okay, I was doing a business, cover business, that's okay. I stand up by that I was doing something for RAW, and I'm a soldier, I was doing something for my country, I've done this. Law enforcing agencies are going about that. But my mother and wife have been really battered and troubled and brought here. I've thought they have been beaten all along in the plane, and this is not done this way. This is not a pleasant thing. It was supposed to be a very pleasant thing, but my mother went under shock. She's saying, no, this can't be said, and what is this? And I'm really thankful for the whole process of both the governments, Indian government and the Pakistani government. But this is, I'm really feeling very sad that my mother was in a very bad threatened position.